totoo ba na palagi siya doon tumatambay? O pre, sigurado ako. Palagi siya tumatambay doon. Siya kasi ang dahilan kung bakit kami nagkahiwalay ni Angela.
Ganun talaga. May abangan din ako sa kanya eh. Yung makasta parang prinsipe.
Hayaan mo pare, matatapos din ang araw niya at mawawala din siya sa mundong ibabaw.
Gulay! Gulay! Ma'am, balik mo gulay, ma'am. Balikan, ma'am. Tagis na lang, ma'am. Palitan na ni ma'am. Kaya mauli na po, ma'am. Magkasa essen na. Taga malungon ko, ma'am.
Lang, layo.
Palitan na mo na.
Bilhin mo na para makauwi na to.
Palitan na, nililitan na, ma'am. Para makauwi na po.
Jess, pwede Jess? Pwede Jess? Pwede Jess?
Salamat, ma'am.
Sige, sige, sige. Ingat, ingat, ingat.
Gulay! Gulay mo dira, ma'am, sir. Gulay. Isa lang gini ka bukos, sir. Ma'am. Ito na ninyo, ma'am. Para kaulit ko, ma'am. Ako na, ma'am. Malunggay na lang, ma'am. Gikan pa kong malungon, ma'am.
Sa kanya baka bigyan mo ko. Wala.
Ay, kwarta wala.
Wala.
Wala ko din mo.
Wala kami ano eh, extra eh.
Ay, sige, ma'am. Ihatag na lang ako ni ma'am para makauli na mo, ma'am.
Bigyan mo na lang sa kanya.
Sige, ma'am. Meron, ma'am. Oh, salamat, ma'am, sir.
Hello po. Tulungan niyo kami, ma'am. Yung kaibigan ko pagkakaroon dito sa Apple Street po. Nakita ko po, dalawang nakaitim na lalaki, tapos ako na rin. Tapos ako may na parang bungo. Yung motor po nila, Aerox na black, may black na ABC 123, ma'am. Tulungan niyo po kami po.
Sige, sige, sige. Salamat. Kitayin nyo muna. May darating na mga tauhan ko dyan. Sige.
Salamat po.
Tayo mga si Jagan dito.
Dati, ma'am.
May naganap na shooting incident doon sa Apple Street. Kailangan ng kundi. Mag-assign ka ng mga kundi. Kailangan natin magsagawa ng dragnet operation na hindi pa nahuhuli ang dalawang suspect. Ang pagkakilala ng mga suspect ay dalawang lalaki nakaitim. May tato sa kanang kamay na parang bumaparehas silang nakaitim at yung motor ay Aerox ABC 123 yung plate numbers. Ginabilisan nyo. Yung naganap na shooting incident doon sa Apple Street. Tingnan mo kung anong naganap doon.
Pagkaman. Ganap na lang sa may Dubai Street. Na doon, kandak ng checkpoint.
Nakatulong kayo.
Sir!
Dahil na yung pressure sa Apple Street na yung goal.
Ganap. Nakuha tayo ng checkpoint ngayon. Kasi may naganap na pamamarin sa may Asay Street. Kailangan natin kita yung checkpoint natin. Sir. Sir, may may lisensa ka, sir. Pablang rin nyo? Sir. Pablang, sir. Kasman to. Thank you, sir. Sir. Thank you, sir. Ingat tayo, sir, ha? Sir, ingat. Sir, salamat, sir.
Hello, Police Station 2? Hello, may naganap na barilan sa Apple Street. Kailangan namin ng kooperasyon ninyo. Ang pagkakilala ng mga suspect ay dalawa sila parehong nakaitim. Ang isa ay may tato sa kanang kamay na parang bungo, parehas na nakaitim. Aerox ang kanyang motor, ABC 123 ang plate number. Sige, sige.
Tawagan mo nga si Sir. Sir, happy, sir.
Ingat, ingat. Ma'am, ano ma'am? Ano ka? Hindi, wala kami sa internet.
Ayaw ko malaman yung pangalan natin. Hari ko bang kunin yung number mo para pagkakagawa ka lang? Ito ko na rin, ma'am.
Kapitbahay at
Ayaw ko bang kunin yung number mo? Sama sa operasyon, ma'am.
Hello, Sergeant. Good afternoon. Yes, Sergeant. Papunta na yung team namin, Sergeant. Sige, Sergeant. Thank you. Thank you.
Prosecutor, we both hear the accused to inquest.
Please present the documents.
Here the complaint affidavit regarding the accused with all the list of evidence gathered at the scene.
I see. Based on the evidence presented, it appears that there is a probable cause to proceed with the case. We will schedule an hearing.
Prosecutor, I am here representing the accused. May I have a moment to discuss the proceeding with my client?
Of course, attorney. Take your time.
My client understand the situations and prepare for the arraignment. We have no objection.
Thank you, attorney. We will proceed with the arraignment as scheduled. I I will finalize the necessary documents. Everything is in order. The arraignment will take place as scheduled. Thank you, officer, attorney, for your cooperation.
All rise, the hearing of the calendar case will now begin. The Honorable Judge J.R. Hermoso presiding silence is hereby enjoined.
All the cases. Criminal case number 30, people of the Philippines versus Mr. Albert Bayato and Mr. John Roy Gabay for murder. For arraignment, Your Honor. Appearances.
Prosecutor Heraldi Sunshine respectfully appearing for the people. Ready, Your Honor.
Attorney William Mariano, appearing for the accused, daily honor.
Arraign the accused.
You, Albert Bayato and John Roy Gabay, stand charged of the crime of murder in the information that alleges that on or about the 6th day of May 2024 at about 4:30 in the afternoon in Apple Street, Jensen City, and within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, you, Albert Bayato and John Roy Gabay, with evident intent to kill, and there willfully, unlawfully, feloniously, suddenly, unexpectedly, and treacherously shoot John Ray Hangad in front with the use of a gun, causing his instantaneous death contrary to law. Did you understand the charge against the both of you?
Yes, sir.
Plea.
Not guilty.
Your Honor, the accused enter not guilty plea.
Enter a not guilty of plea in favor of the accused. Shall we proceed to the pre-trial conference, counsels?
The prosecution prays for another date, Your Honor. There are still for prosecution witnesses who have not prepared their judicial affidavits.
No objection for the listed dates. Pre-trial conference, Your Honor.
Order. The accused unanimously entered a plea of not guilty during arraignment, duly assisted by his counsel. Thereafter, the parties agreed for the sitting of the pre-trial conference on May 11, 2024 at 3:30 o'clock in the morning. The parties are notified in open court. So ordered. Next case, no other cases, Your Honor. Session adjourned.
All rise. All rise. The hearing of the calendar case will now begin. The Honorable Judge J.R. Hermoso, presiding silence, is hereby enjoined.
On the cases. For pre-trial conference, criminal case number 30, people of the Philippines versus Albert Bayato and John Roy Gabay for murder. Your Honor. Appearances.
Please be seated.
Appearances.
Prosecutor Heraldi Sunshine respectfully appearing for the people. Ready, Your Honor.
Attorney Mariano, appearing for the accused, daily Your Honor.
Right. The accused in court.
Present, Your Honor.
How about the private complainant, prosecutor?
Present, Your Honor.
Alright. Is there a possibility of plea bargaining in this case? Is the accused willing to plead to a lesser offense of homicide?
If the prosecution will agree, Your Honor.
Prosecutor Heraldi, is as the private complainant amenable to the proposal of the defense for plea lower of offense of homicide.
No, Your Honor. The prosecution is not going to accept the proposal to plea to a lower offense of homicide.
Alright, then let us proceed to the duty of the prosecution.
The prosecution is as stated in the information, Your Honor.
Alright, any stipulation of facts from the prosecution.
We propose for stipulation the identity of the accused to be the same person charged and arraigned, Your Honor.
Deny, Your Honor.
We propose that the accused was in Apple Street, Jinsan City at around 4:30 in the afternoon on May 6, 2024.
Deny, Your Honor.
No other proposals, Your Honor. We will now proceed to the marking of our documentary exhibit.
Proceed please, prosecutor.
We ask then for the marking of the following documents, Your Honor, as Exhibit A, the death certificate of John Rihanga to show his fact of death and cause of death.
Mark please.
As Exhibit B, the investigation report by Police Executive Master Sergeant Pishao Elmer to prove that he and the members of his team were immediately dispatched to the crime scene and based on their investigation issued such report.
Mark please.
As Exhibit C, the judicial affidavit of Antonio Kenelin to show and prove that prior to the incident, the victim in this case tells them about how Albert Bayato threatens him to stay away from his girlfriend or else.
Mark please.
As Exhibit D, the judicial affidavit of Vergara Queenie to show and prove that she was with the accused and the victim during the time the accused threatened the victim to stay away from his girlfriend or else.
Mark please. How about your witnesses, prosecutor?
We have the following witnesses, Your Honor. Dr. Squadra Alan to testify on the autopsy report he issued for the victim in his case and of the cause of death of victim. And Vergara Queenie, best friend of the victim, to testify that the accused threatened the victim.
How many trial dates will be needed by the prosecution?
We need one trial date, Your Honor.
Alright. Give the prosecution one trial date.
May 15, 2022 at 8:30 o'clock in the morning, Your Honor.
No other matters for the prosecution, Your Honor.
Alright. How about the defense? What is it, jury?
Denial, Your Honor.
How about your proposal for stipulation?
None, Your Honor.
How about your documentary evidence?
None, Your Honor.
How about your witnesses, Mr. Tony Bidion?
We will present the accused and we need one trial date, Your Honor.
Give the defense one trial date.
May 16, 2022 at 8:30 o'clock, Your Honor.
No other matter for the evidence, Your Honor.
Alright. The court will now issue the order. Order. Pre-trial conference in this case was conducted and terminated. The required pre-trial order will be issued by the court in a separate order based on the proceeding conducted. So ordered. Next case.
No other cases, Your Honor.
Session adjourned.
All right.